Hello, today I'm with you with the introducing of the PH232Ux2 product. This product is a USB to RS232 converter in industrial class that connects to a computer via a USB port and adds to a standard RS232 as COM port to your system. With this converter, you can connect any device with RS232 ports such as PLC, CNC, and other industrial devices to your computer. One of the important features of this product that makes it categorized in industrial class is the protection against electrical shocks and electromagnetic noises. It also has 3 kV optical and electrical insulation, which has a great effect on eliminating noises. These noises usually come from contacts changing in electromotors or ESD voltages such as surge or lightning. Here you can see the product packaging. After unpacking, we will see the contents of the box. The content is including a PH232Ux2 that I take out of the plastic cover. In one side, it has a USB port that connects to the computer via the USB cable which is inside the box. At the other side, you can see an adapter jack, the power input of the device, which is connected to the power supply. Also note that this device can work with any DC voltage from 8 to 48 volts. So if you don't have access to 220 volt power to connect the adapter, you can use any available DC industrial power supply in your project. For example, 24 volt DC. This device also has 2 RS232 ports with 9-pin DB9 male connector. All the flow control and handshaking signals such as RTS, CTS, DTR, etc. here are activated. It also includes a 12 volt adapter, a USB cable, 2 DIN rail brackets which the device can be installed on the rail by the means of them. We have 2 DB9 female connectors and a CD, which includes the user guide, datasheet, and required driver files. To show how the converter works, plug in the converter power adapter, and you will see that the converter power light comes on. Connect converter to a computer using USB cable. As you see, the green light on converter turns on. Connect one RS232 port to another RS232 port using a DB9 null modem cable. After connecting converter to the computer, the driver is automatically installed in the Windows. If not installed, we will install it manually from the CD. First, go to the device manager of the computer and in the ports section, see that 2 COM ports are added to the system. To test whether these 2 ports are related to the converter or not, disconnect the USB cable. As you see, both COM ports are removed from the computer. Reconnect it. See that 2 COM ports are added to the system again. Serial port testing software such as Microsoft Hyper-Terminal can be used to demonstrate how this converter works. Here I use the free terminal software that a copy of it is in the product CD in the utility folder. And also you can download it from this address. Open the terminal software. In this section, select COM number 10 and you will see that the other settings are in the default state. The default settings are baud rate 9600 bits per second, data bit 8, parity none, stop bit 1, handshaking none. Click on the connect button to connect to the COM number 10. Open another terminal, select COM number 11 and you will see that the other settings are in the default state. In this section, it doesn't matter what settings we make. It is important that the settings for both COM ports be the same. Click on the connect button to connect to the COM number 11. Now, in the transmit section of the terminal software, which is connected to COM number 10, type any data that you want. Click on the send and as you see, we receive the same data inside the terminal software which is connected to COM number 11. You see, when I send data from the COM number 10 terminal, the converter that is connected to COM number 10, the blue light or TX, which indicates transmission, is blinking. And on the converter that is connected to COM number 11, the yellow light or RX, which indicates received, is blinking. This data is bidirectional, and if you send data inside the COM number 11 terminal software, receive the same data inside the COM number 10 terminal. And again, you see when I send data from the COM number 11 terminal, the converter that is connected to COM number 11, the blue light or TX, which indicates transmission, is blinking. And the converter that is connected to COM number 10, the yellow light or RX, which indicates received, is blinking. Thank you for watching this video.